Hi friends, greetings of the day to all of you. Here I am, Vimlesh Chauhan, bringing another video to you. The topic will be the tips to prepare the physics subject for JEE exam. Now friends, all of you know that JEE is the most important examination for any of the engineering aspirant. It is a gateway to the IITs, NITs, and the topmost colleges, engineering colleges of India. Physics is the first section of the paper, and this section and subject is considered as a highly competitive section, and hence getting it right from the first go, from the very beginning, should be the aim and objective of the aspirant, means you. Now I am presenting some tips, suggestions that can help you prepare for the physics paper. Physics could be a tough nut to crack for most of you. Now here are the list of the important topics that you must pay more attention to. Mechanics. Even though it is the most, not the most scoring topic, but this still forms the portion in terms of marks. Hence, you should pay attention to mechanics. You should concentrate more on scoring topics like optics, magnetism, and electricity. Kinematics. Now, kinematics, under mechanics, kinematics and particle dynamics are the important topics. Since questions from these topics are generally asked in the exam, one should revise these topics thoroughly. Electricity. Now, if we see the general trends of previous year papers, magnetism, mechanics, and electricity are the most important topics in terms of the number of questions asked in the previous year's papers. Thermodynamics. This is important from both physics and chemistry perspective. Now I will come to the weightage part. Mechanics and SHM, they consist 25 to 30% of weightage. Electrostatics, 19 to 24%. Magnetism, again 19 to 24%. Modern physics, somewhere between 15 to 20%. Heat and thermo, 10 to 15%. Waves, 7 to 10%. And properties of matter, 5 to 8%. Now the following were the weightage of topics asked in the previous year's papers. Mechanics, 37%. 37% of the questions were asked from mechanics portion. Heat and thermodynamics, 10%. Electrodynamics, 20%. SHM and waves, 6%. Optics, 10%. Modern physics, 17%. Electrodynamics had 6 questions. So the marks 24. It means 20% weightage to electrodynamics. Heat and thermodynamics, 3 questions are asked, 12 marks, 10%. Mechanics, 11 questions asked, 44 marks, 37%. Modern physics, 5 questions, 20 marks, 17%. Optics, 3 questions were asked, 12 marks, 10%. SHM and waves, 2 questions, 8 marks, 7%. Now, which are the books you should you should read, study? H.C. Verma, Volume 1 and 2, NCERT publications, Then book on problems in general physics, solve problems. There's a book 3000 solved problems, and the book on basic law of electromagnetism. While there is no hard and fast rule, there is no thumb rule to make the strategy, because strategies depend upon the strengths and weakness of you. We can only give you certain tips to help you prepare well for the exam. First is solve at least 10 years question papers. Solving the previous year question papers should be your first method of revision. It not only gives you the enough practice in answering the questions, but also make you know that where do you stand, what do you expect in final paper now, and it will also give you your rhythm and making preparations very well. Consult your teachers at every step. Teachers are your best friends. While consulting your teacher, let them know where are you facing the problems. What is the solution to the problems? Ask them for tips and advice on the paper and how to go about it. And the main tip is be focused. Do not divert to anything. Be confident, be calm, be focused. See, no one is going to help you if you are not going to help yourself. Stay focused if you have decided in mind that you will be cracking the JEE. The competition is tough, friends, and so you should be prepared in every way so that you do not face any failure. And I am sure that you can do it, you will do it, just do it. Thank you.